Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a must-have kitchen tool that can elevate your cooking game, the Rösle 12895 Stainless Steel Garlic and Ginger Press. We found this product online and have added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability easily. So, what exactly is the Rösle 12895? This is a high-quality garlic and ginger press designed to make your meal preparation not only easier but also more effective. With its sleek and modern design, this tool is not only functional but also an attractive addition to your kitchen. Crafted from premium 1810 stainless steel, it promises durability and longevity, ensuring that you can enjoy its benefits for years to come. One of the standout features of this press is its optimal crushing capability. It boasts a sieve with 48 offset conical holes, which significantly reduces the effort required when crushing both peeled and unpeeled garlic cloves or fresh ginger. This means you get finely minced garlic or ginger every single time, making your cooking process smooth and efficient. Whether you're preparing a simple dinner or a complex dish, this press helps you achieve the perfect texture for your ingredients with minimal effort. Another fantastic feature of the Rösle 12895 is its ease of cleaning. We all know that cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but this press makes it a breeze. Its fold-out sieve design allows you to rinse it under flowing water, and you can also pop it in the dishwasher for a thorough clean. This saves you time and energy, letting you focus on what really matters, enjoying your meal. Now, who is this garlic and ginger press suitable for? The answer is simple: it's perfect for everyone, from cooking novices to seasoned chefs. If you're just starting out in the kitchen and need reliable tools, or if you're an experienced cook looking for a convenient way to enhance your dishes, this press fits the bill. Rösle cookware is designed to provide true cooking enjoyment, making it a fantastic investment for anyone who loves to cook, bake, or experiment in the kitchen. Let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine preparing a stir-fry with fresh ginger and garlic. This press allows you to quickly mince both, infusing your dish with authentic flavor without the hassle of chopping by hand. Or picture yourself whipping up a delicious garlic butter sauce for a steak or seafood dish. The Rösle press ensures that your garlic is perfectly minced, blending seamlessly into your sauce for a delightful result. Whether you are grilling, sautéing, or baking, having this tool at your disposal means you can elevate your dishes effortlessly. In addition to its practical features, the Rösle 12895 also embodies a modern yet classic design that fits seamlessly from kitchen to table. It's not just a tool, it's a statement piece that showcases the quality and thoughtful design Rösle is known for. Whether you're cooking for yourself, your family, or hosting a dinner party, this press is an essential companion in your culinary adventures. In summary, the Rösle 12895 Stainless Steel Garlic and Ginger Press is an outstanding kitchen tool that combines functionality, durability, and ease of use. With its optimal crushing ability, easy cleanup, and stylish design, it truly elevates the experience of cooking and preparing meals. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.